With our solutions, we are laying the foundation for the paper production process of the future. Our research and development work has a strong focus on sustainability, and we will invest around 100 million euros per year in the development of new innovations in the future. Important focus areas are minimizing energy and water consumption in paper production and further increasing the recycling rate of paper. In addition, we develop solutions to improve raw material yield and quality. We follow two approaches to achieve these objectives: optimizing our existing technology and product portfolio and researching disruptive technologies for completely new paper-making processes and solutions. As a driving force and pacemaker in the industry in exploring new ways for sustainable papermaking, Voith played a key role in the founding of Model Factory Paper, a cross-industry initiative to identify and research solutions to make the entire papermaking process climate neutral. With a view to further closing material cycles, Voith is a partner in the Forever Green Alliance. The goal of this initiative is to increase the recycling rate of fiber-based packaging to 90% by 2030. Our goal is to continue to offer leading solutions in the field of sustainability.